Morning student. Now I start a problem of circle. Find the area of the circle s square plus y square equal to 2x. Question number: find the area of the circle s square plus y square equal to 2x. Solution: the circle is given s square plus y square equal to 2x. Then s square minus 2x plus y square equal to 0. That implies s square minus 2x, addition a square here and then here, s square plus y square equal to a square. A square add left side and right side. Then I get the circle of the formula. A minus x minus a square plus y minus b square equal to a square, radius square. Circle formula is comes x minus a square plus y minus 0 square equal to a square. The center of the circle is a and 0. That is lies on x axis. The radius is a unit. The radius is a unit. That implies it is symmetric about x axis. Radius symmetric about x axis. Now the formula of circle, hence area equal to a equal to 2 into integration 0 to 2a y dx. Area of the circle a equal to 2 into 0 to 2a integration y dx equal to into integration 0 to 2a 2x minus s square dx. Y is from equation 1 rule, the value of y is, we get the value of y is 2x minus s square root over. Now where y is from 1 equation 1 y is 2x minus s square root over, then here we put x equal to, let us put x equal to 2a sine square theta. That implies dx is equal to 2a sine square theta 2 sine theta cos theta. D theta is equal to 2a sine 2 theta d theta, 2 sine theta cos theta formula sine 2 d theta. Now if x equal to 0, I have variable to 0 to 2a. If x equal to 0, that implies theta equal to 0 and x equal to 2a, that implies theta is equal to pi by 2. Now put all the value x, theta and d theta, then we get the point equal to 2, 0 to integration pi by 2, जो variable 0 to 2a. Now 2, 0 to pi by 2, the value of dx and x theta 2a sine square theta minus 4a square sine 4 theta. Here the formula 2ax minus s square, x value we get 2a sine square theta, 2a sine square theta minus s square formula 2a sine square theta formula 4a square sine to the power 4 theta and d theta formula 2a sine 2 theta d theta, जो value is, we add the value d theta, then we put the value d theta here. Now we find the result of integration 2 into 0 to pi by 2 2a into 2a sin square theta minus 4a square sin 2 power 4 theta रो whole root 2a sin 2 theta d theta. Equal to, we put the value 2a 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta 1 minus sin square theta sin 2 theta 2a common, then total 8a square 0 to pi by 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta d theta. sin square theta रो root over sin theta 1 minus sin square theta रो formula sin 2 theta d theta. sin square theta 1 minus sin square theta होची cos square theta. sin square theta रो root over sin theta and cos square root over ta cos theta. Now 2 here add sin 2 here, 4a square, here 2 multiplies 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Then 2 here get the formula. Then 4a square 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 theta d theta sin 2 theta d theta square 2 d theta. That implies 4a square 0 to pi by 2 sin square 2 theta d theta is equal to 2a square 0 to pi by 2 sin square 2 theta d theta. That implies 2a square. 2a square how? Now here we will let 2 here 2 sin square theta d theta to get a formula. Then 2a square 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 4 theta d theta. Formula is come. Then 2a square theta minus